Hey, this is Taylor with TenantCloud, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get help and training right in your TenantCloud account. TenantCloud provides unlimited online support through our Help Center and online service tickets. To get to the Help Center, click the orange Need Help button from the bottom left corner. Next, click the Visit Help Center button at the top of the page. A new window will automatically open. Here, you will see that there are sections for specific users. Within each user section, there will be special categories designated to the user. You can also search for specific topics by typing in the search menu. One-word search words usually work best here. If you need to submit a service ticket for a question you weren't able to find an answer to, go back to the user window and click on the green Submit a Ticket button. Fill out the required information and be as detailed as you can in the description section so one of our customer relations representatives can best assist you. Sometimes it's easier to explain your question with a picture, so TenantCloud has made it easy to attach an image within the description. And that's how easy it is to get help and training within your TenantCloud account. To start managing your maintenance requests and invoices for free with simplicity and ease, just go to www.tenantcloud.com or click the link below in the description and sign up today.